Dyson V8 wireless vacuum cleaner battery replacement. I just bought this replacement battery from the internet, and that is so easy for replacement the battery. There are only 3 screws and shown in the diagram. It's very easy for the replacement. You just take a screwdriver and take out the first screw. And then at the bottom of the vacuum tube, just take out another 2 screws. My vacuum cleaner is very dirty. Gently pull up the battery, and then you can take out the battery easily. My old and new battery here. Remember to buy the same model battery, otherwise you cannot insert back to the vacuum cleaner. Insert back the battery gently, and you will hear a click sound. Then simply secure back the 3 screws. You will complete this simple battery replacement. Try to turn on the vacuum cleaner for testing. It's resumed and function properly. No need to charge and recharge again. The new battery and the original factory battery. It's almost the same time to replace the pre-filter and the post-filter. Test again. Thanks for watching.